Life is a journey of continuous evolution. Every day, every moment, we are given the opportunity to grow, to learn, and to transform. It's a never-ending cycle of change that keeps us moving forward, pushing us to become the best versions of ourselves. We are not static beings. Just as the seasons change, so do we. Our experiences, our challenges, and our triumphs shape us, molding us into who we are meant to be. We are in a constant state of flux, always evolving, always becoming. We are designed to grow, adapt, and change. Just like the caterpillar that transforms into a butterfly, we too have the power to undergo profound metamorphoses. It's in our nature to seek out new experiences, to push our boundaries, and to discover new facets of ourselves. Sometimes we find ourselves stuck in a rut, yearning for something more. We feel trapped, confined by our circumstances, and unable to see a way out. But it's in these moments of frustration that the seeds of change are planted. It's when we feel the most stuck that we are often on the brink of a breakthrough. This is the moment to hit the reset button, to embrace the exhilarating prospect of reinvention. It's a chance to start anew, to wipe the slate clean, and to embark on a fresh journey. The dawn of a new day brings with it endless possibilities and the promise of a brighter future. It's about reclaiming your power, rediscovering your passions, and writing a new chapter in the story of your life. It's about taking control of your destiny, setting new goals, and pursuing your dreams with renewed vigor. It's a time to reflect on what truly matters to you and to align your actions with your deepest values. Reinvention is not about erasing who you are. It's about honoring your past, acknowledging your journey, and using it as a foundation to build upon. It's about integrating your experiences, both good and bad, and using them to create a richer, more meaningful life. It's about building upon your experiences, learning from your past, and stepping into a brighter future. Each step you take, each decision you make, brings you closer to the person you are meant to be. It's a continuous process of growth and self-discovery. It's about recognizing that you are capable of extraordinary things. You have within you the strength, the resilience, and the determination to overcome any obstacle. You are capable of achieving greatness, of reaching heights you never thought possible. You have the power to design a life that aligns with your deepest desires and aspirations. It's about creating a vision for your future and taking deliberate steps to make it a reality. It's about dreaming big and believing in your ability to turn those dreams into tangible outcomes. Think of it as a personal renaissance, a chance to shed old habits, beliefs, and limitations that no longer serve you. It's an opportunity to break free from the chains of the past and to step into a new era of possibility and potential. It's an opportunity to explore new horizons, embrace new challenges, and unlock your full potential. It's about stepping out of your comfort zone, taking risks, and embracing the unknown with courage and confidence. The journey of reinvention is a testament to the indomitable human spirit. It's a celebration of our ability to adapt, to persevere, and to thrive in the face of adversity. It's a reminder that we are capable of incredible transformation and growth. It's a powerful reminder that we are never too old, never too stuck, and never too far gone to embrace the transformative power of a fresh start. No matter where you are in life, no matter what challenges you face, you have the ability to reinvent yourself and to create a life that is fulfilling and meaningful. So take a deep breath, silence the inner critic, and get ready to embark on an exciting adventure of self-discovery and growth. Embrace the journey with an open heart and an open mind, and trust that you have everything you need within you to create the life you desire. Every great journey begins with a clear destination in mind. Just as a compass points the way, having a clear vision of where you want to go is essential. It sets the stage for everything that follows, providing direction and purpose. Reinventing yourself is no different. It's a journey that requires careful planning and a strong sense of direction. Without a clear goal, you may find yourself wandering aimlessly, unsure of where to go next. Before you start making changes, it's crucial to define your why. What is the driving force behind your desire for a new you? This isn't just a superficial question, it's the foundation of your entire journey. Understanding your why gives you the motivation to keep going, even when things get tough. Is it a yearning for greater fulfillment? Perhaps you feel that your current life lacks meaning or purpose, and you're searching for something more. Fulfillment can come from many sources. Whether it's a career that excites you, relationships that nourish you, or hobbies that bring you joy, a desire to make a bigger impact? Maybe you want to leave a mark on the world, to know that your actions have made a difference. This could be through your work, your community involvement, or even the way you inspire others. Or perhaps a need to break free from limiting beliefs that have held you back. We all have internal barriers that can prevent us from reaching our full potential. Identifying and overcoming these limitations is a crucial step in your journey of self-reinvention. Your why is your compass, guiding you through the inevitable challenges and setbacks that lie ahead. It's what keeps you focused and determined even when the path becomes difficult. Without a strong why, it's easy to lose your way. Take some time for introspection. Dig deep and uncover the core values, passions, and aspirations that resonate with your soul. This process of self-discovery is essential for understanding what truly matters to you. What truly matters to you? This question goes beyond material success or external validation. It's about finding what brings you genuine happiness and satisfaction. Reflect on your experiences, your dreams, and the moments that have brought you the most joy. What kind of legacy do you want to leave behind? Think about the impact you want to have on the world and the people around you. Your legacy is the lasting impression you leave, and it should be something that reflects your true self. Your why should be deeply personal and emotionally resonant. It should ignite a fire within you, fueling your motivation and propelling you forward even when the going gets tough. This emotional connection to your why is what will sustain you through the ups and downs of your journey. Write down your why and keep it somewhere visible as a constant reminder of the transformative journey you've embarked upon. This simple act can serve as a powerful motivator, helping you stay focused and committed to your goals. Every time you see it, you'll be reminded of the reasons behind your journey and the incredible potential that lies ahead. Now that you have a clear understanding of your why, it's time to translate that vision into concrete goals. These goals will serve as the stepping stones on your path to success. Goal setting is like painting a masterpiece on the canvas of your life. Each goal is a brushstroke that adds depth, color, and meaning to your overall vision. It provides direction, focus, and a roadmap for your reinvention journey. Without goals, you may find yourself wandering aimlessly, unsure of where to go next. Start by brainstorming a list of goals that align with your why. Think about what truly matters to you and what you want to achieve in different areas of your life, such as career, personal growth, health, and relationships. Don't be afraid to dream big and set audacious goals. Ambitious goals can push you out of your comfort zone and inspire you to reach new heights. Remember, you are capable of achieving far more than you often give yourself credit for. Your potential is limitless, and with the right mindset and effort, you can accomplish incredible things. Once you have a list, prioritize your goals based on their importance and urgency. This will help you focus on what truly matters and ensure that you are making progress in the right areas. Break down each goal into smaller, more manageable steps. This process, known as chunking, makes large goals less overwhelming and more achievable. This will make your goals less daunting and more achievable. As you complete each small step, you'll build momentum and confidence, propelling you forward. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Taking that first step, no matter how small, is crucial to making progress. By setting clear, specific, and measurable goals, you create a roadmap for your transformation. This roadmap will guide you and keep you on track. Even when challenges arise, each step you take towards your goals will bring you closer to the new you that you are striving to become. Celebrate your progress along the way, no matter how small it may seem. So grab your metaphorical paintbrush and start creating the life of your dreams, one brushstroke at a time. Embrace the process, stay committed, and watch as your vision comes to life in vibrant colors. Reflect on your journey regularly, and don't be afraid to adjust your goals as needed. Life is dynamic, and your goals should evolve with you. Share your goals with supportive friends or mentors who can provide encouragement and accountability. Together, you can celebrate milestones and stay motivated. Incorporate mindfulness and self-care into your routine to stay balanced and focused. A clear mind and healthy body are essential for sustained progress. Create a vision board to keep your goals and dreams in sight. Fill it with images, quotes, and reminders of what you're working towards. Keep a journal to document your journey, track your progress, and reflect on your experiences. Writing can provide clarity and reinforce your commitment. As you continue to paint your vision, remember that the journey is just as important as the destination. Embrace each moment, learn from every experience, and enjoy the process of creating your masterpiece. Section 4. Embrace the unknown. Stepping stones to growth. Reinvention often requires stepping outside of your comfort zone and embracing the unknown. This can be daunting, but it's also where the greatest growth occurs. Change is inevitable, and resisting it only creates unnecessary suffering. Instead, approach the unknown with a sense of curiosity and adventure. View challenges as opportunities for learning and growth. Remember that every experience, positive or negative, contributes to your personal development. Don't be afraid to try new things, even if you're not sure you'll succeed. Embrace failure as a stepping stone to success. It's through our mistakes that we learn the most valuable lessons. Cultivate a spirit of resilience and determination. When you encounter setbacks, as you inevitably will, don't give up. Instead, view them as opportunities to learn, adapt, and come back stronger than before. Section 5. The power of skill development. Equipping yourself for success. Reinventing yourself often involves acquiring new skills or enhancing existing ones. In today's rapidly evolving world, continuous learning is no longer optional. It's essential for both personal and professional growth. Identify the skills that will empower you to achieve your goals and pursue your passions. This might involve taking courses, attending workshops, reading books, listening to podcasts, or seeking out mentors. Embrace a growth mindset, believing that your abilities are not fixed but can be developed through dedication and hard work. Don't be afraid to invest in yourself and your future. The knowledge and skills you acquire will not only enhance your career prospects, but also enrich your life in countless ways. Remember, the more you learn, the more you grow, and the more opportunities you unlock.